Okay, here's the soundproof generator box. It's finished being built. It's the Harbor Freight generator. The guy gave me a deal. They got it for $400. So the air is going to come in here, travel up, over, down, over, up, over, into this chamber, which is where the generator and the reserve fuel tank will go. I don't have the fuel tank yet, but we don't need it. Then here, the generator exhaust is going to blow through this. I coated these with aluminum foil. Exhaust is going to blow into here, travel down, then come through and blow up through here. And this is heat resistant foam, special stuff. Then over, then it's going to travel down, heat resistant, but then regular foam, and then up into the fan chamber. And the fans are going to blow that exhaust air out. And since it won't be able to go up because this whole top's going to be covered, it'll go straight down that hole there. Now I'm going to have Nicole hold the camera while I stick it in there, and we'll see how it sounds. Ready? So just hold this like that. Make sure everything's in the frame. Off, turn switch to start. Starter handle. Wait for output light. Slowly turn the switch to run. Can you hear it? It's not very loud, is it?
No.
We see the camera? So it's in there and you can hear it running. Do you hear anything?
Yeah, I hear it, but it's very quiet.
It sounds like a fish tank air pump.
Yeah.
You almost don't hear anything. See the exhaust fumes coming out this side, babe? See that? See how it's like smoky? That's the exhaust side.
Oh, I can smell it.
Yeah. Let's pop it open for a second, see what we're looking at. I just want to make sure nothing's overheating or anything like that. And now let's shut it and let it go for a little while. That's incredible how quiet it is, huh?
It's very quiet.
You know, I could park in a Walmart parking lot and not have a worry in the world.
Yeah. Lots of moving.
Under load, I think it'll be a little hotter though. Can you feel the exhaust being pulled into this side? You can feel the airflow. Feel that? I've now had it running under full load. An 8,000 BTU air conditioner. Blowing ice cold. There are its numbers. We're dealing with 9 amps. I think 10 amps. This generator is rated for 13. The fans are 0.1 amps each, so it's running 10.3 amps. That AC is cranked all the way up, so, and it's been running for a few minutes. I'm just going to open it just to make sure nothing's blown up. I also took the walls off of the sides of the generator to increase airflow, reduce overheating. Everything seems to be doing its job. You mark here from the heat. See if that becomes an issue. I may put a strip of aluminum foil there or something. I'm not sure. But let's plug it in and leave it going for a few minutes, see what happens. Okie dokie.